Welcome to Sammy's new integrated all in-wall surround sound system. For those of you who know, it used to be on this wall as you first walk in. Everything's been switched to the opposite side. Kept it simple with the 3.1, left, center, right. Did come with a 5.1. Did not want to bang it out. Room just not big enough. Got a 42-inch Samsung showing it. Over here, don't forget about that 8-inch Samsung subwoofer banging it out. Everything is integrated with an IR extender through the garage. Let me get you the night vision. Boom. Alright, let me get you that view from the bed. Again, key ingredient, no wires. Everything done by your boy Slammin' Sammy. Any questions? Give me a holla.